Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Thanks for clicking my video. It means a lot to me. So my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. So spring has arrived and in today's video I'm going to show you a spring inspired wall hanging decor. But before moving to that video, if you like my video and like this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So stay tuned and let's get started. To make this DIY project, you need MDF board. I'm using 2.5mm MDF board, some artificial flowers, white Acrylic color, sponge brush, or instead of sponge brush you can use normal brush also, black permanent marker. At first I'm going to color the board with white. So I'm not going to do second coat over there because I'm liking this whitewash kind of look instead of pure white. Now I'm going to draw a pattern. Now, with the help of a glue, I'm going to stick this artificial flowers and leaves here. Now here at the top, if you want to hang it on the wall, you can drill holes and tie any rope, or if you do not have any drill machine with you, then you can simply stick double-sided tape and stick it to the wall or on the door, whatever you want. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.